Noco GB150. So device try to turns on, 25 flashing. Plug it to the charge. It's taking 0%. So checking the battery voltage here is a 8.1. That's very low. In this cell, 2.7. 2.7, that's good. And 2.6. So the cells is about 2.6, 2.7. So still there is a chance the battery is still good. So I'm going to plug it to the charger again. So I check here. So we have the 5 volt in, is mean the charger port is good. From here, the negative side of this capacitor is the ground. And to this side of the diode. So we have the 5 volt from the booster. This one here is good. We check the VCC here, 6.6 volt, because the battery it has just 8 volt. 3.3 is there, but still there is nothing going to the battery. It's a 0 amp. So we have the 3.3 for the microcontroller. So we check to here. We have 13 volt in the charging circuit in the input of this MOSFET. The output of this MOSFET, we have 8 volt. That's 8 volt is the battery voltage. You can see the 8 volt here, 8 volt here, but this 13 volt, it should go to the other side, to here. So the microcontroller is not sending the signal. Yeah, the microcontroller, it should communicate to this chip, send the signal to the MOSFETs. The MOSFETs is going to allow the charge to go to the battery. So these fuses resistors, low ohm, is good. Volt. So the chip is working. The chip is working with the battery voltage, and this capacitor, that's the input. Yeah, there is a voltage, VCC voltage coming to the chip. Yeah, here is a 8 volt. So everything looks okay for the battery to start charging, but there is no charge going to the battery. So let me check the board with the microscope, and I'm going to check some resistors that sometimes they may cause this issue. So the resistors that usually may cause that problem is this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here, and sometimes even this one here. So this group of resistors here, these two here. and in another board one resistor is here by itself. This one here, but not a lot. So let's check in the microscope. I done putting the device together. Push power button, charge it a little bit, so it's a 50%. Is boosting 11 volt, still need to be charged. Flashlight works, and I know the charging work, it was like 8 volt, now is 11 volt. So that's all for this video, and see you again.